Without proper maintenance, these lift stations can have a multitude of problems. One of the problems for non-maintenance, fats, oils, and greases can collect on the float switches. They're essentially little ball floats on a tether of wire, and they're designed to tilt up with water and down. Now, if they get clogged up with grease, the grease will be on the tops of them, and they won't tilt. Okay? Somebody needs to be looking at that constantly because that builds up constantly. That's one of the problems. I can tell you others. I'm Dave, Bartholomew Water Services, so get us on board and you won't have these problems.